Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Innocent Okoyomo, the Managing Director of Idea Concept Limited. Um, all I know is all about idea, man. For you to be successful online, you have to have idea, you have to have a pattern to do it, okay? It's not just something that you think you're just going to walk up and listen to some videos from people and you become successful with it. This is my website where you're going to go to, and when you link up with my website, all you got to do is to go look for this one that say, this website. Through my website, it has a link that you're going to click on that will take you over here. The this particular website that I build on how to make money online 100% free. This is what you're going to look like, okay, when you get to this website. Okay. First of all, let's run down to here. If you have been trying to make money online and you have failed, I believe you. I bet you, man. I've been in your shoe. I've spent over $100,000 learning and trying to figure out how to become successful, how to do the passive income by myself, but I failed as well. So until I got to a point that I understand that everything in life requires a certain idea to make them work. Okay, most things will work, but if you are not patient enough to understand that there's a method of application and you're following people actually will not tell you. People actually will not tell you what they are doing or the method they are applying to actually achieve the thing. Because when they tell you what their niche is, then you're going to put your hand in that product and you're going to mess them all up. Okay, so that's the reason why people don't show you method. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm very successful with this. My target, my goal at the end of the day is to be able to sell some things to you at the end of the day. Not because I'm going to what I'm teaching you right now. You can be able to put on your hand on it and use it as a method and use the process, to achieve a lot as far as online is concerned. But hopefully, by the time you end up doing all that, you need to do more money and you buy services from me. So that's what I'm trying to say. All I sell is just a PDF and I host webinar. That's all I do. So I wish you come to my classes because my classes are packed. I want you to be successful so that you can be able to purchase things from me as well. So you are not coming to a class that we leave you empty-handed. It's a class that you will make money from, very sure. So I have seen series of this video. The first series is this that we're going to go upon. The purpose of this first series is to show you a method, not to show you a certain product that you're going to sell or certain services that you're going to sell online. And let's talk about disclaimer first anyway. This video is not to show you how to build a website. If you need something like that, I have something like that. This video is not to show you how to choose a certain product, because the product I might use for example on this video might not be the one that you can use this method for. That's for sure. Okay, but you have to do some digging as well to be able to actually be able to apply this process to the product, the services that that I will show you. Okay, so the word difficult or hard. If something is difficult, that means that it's very complicated. You can do it. But as far as this is concerned, it's just an hard work that you have to put some time into it so that at least you can have this passive income forever. Okay, so you have to understand that aspect of it as well. Let me check on this. This is a notepad. This notepad, I'm going to show you how I'm going to journey with this. The first journey is to show you a method, on how to search for opportunity online. So, and you're going to be using Google search engine. The second process is to show you the second method, okay, looking for opportunity online. Then the third method is how to outsource it. I'm not going to leave you empty-handed. The way you can outsource it, so with specification, not just outsource things, to people who do it and people to handle it. People will build your site, but not up to the standard that you're looking for. So for you to outsource things like that, I got things for you where you can outsource it, as well. The fourth video and the fifth video are my almighty videos, okay? Because I say that they're almighty videos because they are 100% proven that they will work for you, okay? So I want you to be able to get to the end. That's why I started from the lowest of the value, because I wanted to get to the end of it. If you get to the end of it, then you will thank God that you have you have come to this class. So whatever make you click on this YouTube video, I just brought you to a wealth of knowledge regarding, you know, how to make money online 100%. Okay, let's go to this. So when you come to this website, like I said, and you scroll down to this place, all you need is to just click on these links that you see over here. When you click on these links, it's going to take you to this Google Doc PDF, and this is the PDF that you trust method. You know, like I said, it's not for a niche. This method is just a process that you can use to apply to some certain niche that I'm going to show you online when you come to the last class. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is to create a Google email, a new Google email, then open a notepad down. Okay, because when you open the notepad down, you're going to copy all these. Okay, you will copy these. These are the subjects. You know, the subject, the start of your email and the end of your email. Okay, so you have to have that in hand when you do that. So when you go to Google search engine, the first thing you want to do is go to Google search engine, you know, and go to your email as well. You open the compose on your email, then you go to your Google search engine. And when you search, let's for example we say dentist in Alpharetta, Georgia. That's what we choose. We choose dentist in Alpharetta, Georgia, and you come over here. When you check all this one, you will find out that they said over here, hold this business. That is the first opportunity that I'm going to show you. Okay, and you can make roughly $100 just solving this problem like in 2 minutes. Okay, for the customer. So when you see what the next thing you want to do, you want to hit this what they call this direction to the website. You hit the website, you go to the website so that you can find the email of the person that owns this particular dentist. Okay, if you compare this one to this, you will find out that this one is different in the sense that the company is already being owned already. They already configured that aspect of it. So you see, it's quite different from when you go to this one. So this is the first opportunity. All this business online. So how do you go about making money with this thing that you see? Okay, you go to the website of the person that owns this particular dentist in Alpharetta. Okay, because you're trying to look for the email address. So you fire up your email, the new one that I asked you to build. Then you start from the beginning. You first copy this first part of this letter, which is the reason why. So you put it on the subject. You copy it, you paste it on it. Alright? You copy this second one too as well, which is the beginning, which states the reason why, you know, why you are writing them to help them to, you know, help them hold their business, because you're going to be losing a potential customer calls in the area if they don't do that. So that's why people suggest for them to do the update. Okay, so when this is going to be the beginning of your email, then you paste it on the first start of your email. Then you come over here and you scan this. Okay, when you paste that in your email, in between it you put your competitors. Okay, how your computer looks like. So you show them their computer. You take a screenshot of this. You show them. You see what? You show them that their competitors, you see, they've done theirs. That is why they get more customers and more calls than they do. So in order for them to have more customers, if they need customers, you need to get that done. So you will tell them and show them that just for them to hold a trust with you, that you are not just trying to offer them services, them to pay first, but these services is going to be done first for free. Then after you finish it, and when they go and see that there's a difference, that you've done what they actually wanted, and you're going to help them do some few SEOs as well, just for them to be able to reach out and get more calls on Google search engine. And you will paste this as the last part of your email, of your message. So when you send this to them, that all you require from them is to say yes. If they say yes, you can go ahead and tell your engineer to do that. And once the engineer do that, you can send them patch out to that effect and send them the scan of what the website look like now online. That is the first opportunity. And let me show you how the PDF looks like when you go on my line. When you click on that, it's going to take you to this certain PDF, and this PDF is the one that will show you step by step on what you need to do. Okay, when you scroll down here, instead you create a Gmail account, a new Gmail account. Yeah, don't mind me because I'm outside my house, so the network is kind of funny. So let's come up. Right? Let's come up. This is the first aspect, so you can actually make them pay you $100 for giving them these services. This is the first thing you want to do. But I bet you if you do it on the niche that I show you, you will not make it. But we have more than 500 services around your area, and there's some certain ones that you're actually looking for that will actually pay you for doing this for them. So that is what you need to understand, and that's what you need to realize. So So see how easy that is? That's so easy. Okay. The reason why I'm showing you this easiest one is because I want you to spend time to understand the certain things. Like I said, a process, how to send that email. Okay. So that's the first thing you need to learn. Okay. Nothing is easy, but you have to learn the process, and that's the process that you need for you to go about making this happen. And like I said, it's not for this same dentist or thing that you're going to make money from. You have to make money from some certain services that I will show you. And this one is capable of getting you close to like at least your first month of applying to what I'm going to show you, the certain niche that I'm going to show you. Because this is just a service that is everywhere, so you are not limited to your area only. You can go as far as California, as far as anywhere in the United States, as far as Europe as you like. So you can just go to that area, go on Google Maps, put a certain thing, find that area, find what they have in that area, and see how you can help them to increase their size. So that is how you do it. Okay, that's how to do it. And all these emails that you're getting together and these people that you're sending emails, you have to make sure that you keep that email in certain different files, so that when you're trying to create your email list for selling products, you know that you already have an email list already regarding that particular thing. For example, if you see a new technology that doctor might needed, you know, that's kind of email that you have searched for. Okay, all those emails that you compile can be used. It's a real good traffic, because if you try to send emails to them regarding these things, that you're definitely going to make a sales. So when you get the PDF, this is what the PDF is going to be showing you. Your final product after you finish with your work will look like this. Okay, it's going to first state the reason why you write them, you know, and the middle is going to show their competitor, how you're going to make them see what their competitor look like, and the final stage of your email is going to look like this. Okay, that's the first stage of your email, is going to look like this, and subject, why you're writing them, the scanning of both, the scanning, the first scan, and the middle of it, then your competitor final ones, and their final aspect of your letter, how to close your letter with them. You know. If you come to my webinar, you're going to see the last aspect of it, and I'm going to tell me that when you apply